So you think Batman's made Gotham a better place?
This is how crazy Batman's made Gotham.
I was meant to inspire good, not madness, not death.
Things were always going to get worse before they got better. Some men just want to watch the world burn. You wanted me. Here I am. Little fight now. I like that. Tell me what you know about the Joker. Know your limits, Master Wayne.
You do fine against cats.